after noticing that, it was like a breath of fresh air. Break it down. You let people do exactly what they want to do, and you act accordingly. You cannot get upset, or you can't judge somebody for being the person they want to be or doing what's best for them. Girl, I be watching your stuff. Funny, because I've never seen you in my notifications. Like, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Jackie Nicole here, and today we're just gonna be talking, okay? Just talking, you know, because I had the opportunity to, actually plan out some things and strategize, and I was running some tests or whatever, because I figured that out a long time ago as far as, okay, being genuine and just being your true self. But this video is pretty much, the topic is, it's not too late. It's not too late for anything. It's not too late to be your true self, living your truth. It's not too late to start that job, to start that journey, whatever that you've been doubting yourself, if you've been having the imposter syndrome, anything that has to do with that, it's not too late. I am 43 years old, and when I tell you I have just gotten actually like really comfortable in my skin, really just comfortable, 360 all around. And I posted a video, I think that was last year. It was really like intimate and what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? It was really intimate and oh my gosh, are you serious right now? Give me a second. Okay. And when I tell you, as soon as I clicked off that, when it came to me, transparent. I don't know what's going on, Jackie. What's going on? But it was very transparent. And it was pretty much saying, okay, how I got to the point that I am now, where a lot of the times where I didn't post what I wanted to post in fear of not so much to say pleasing everybody or certain people that didn't know me that may be offended by what will come out of my mouth and everything. Just like that. Afraid to be my true self because trying to please the whole crowd or please all my followers or, people that didn't necessarily know me as a person and what they were used to hearing or seeing. Okay. And so when I got over that and just started posting what I wanted to post and just, being me, saying what I wanted to say and like actually living in, okay, I say what I feel and I say what I want to say. How it affects you or how you react to it, I have nothing to do with that. And that's how I, carried on within posting and whatnot. But what I noticed when I did that is I started getting more interaction. Not saying I didn't do it just for the interaction. I was just being transparent. But I got more interaction and people saying, hey, this is me. I feel the same way type thing. Like, I need to get out of my comfort zone and just be me unapologetically. And like, after noticing that, it was like a breath of fresh air. Like, if you get it, you get it. But like, that's what I want to talk about today. Like, be you, because only you can do it best. I used to say that after every one of my videos, and then I wanted to change it up and just say, okay, just live. But all of the above stands for what, okay, I try to push out. Be you, because only you can do it best, and just live. Because that's the message. Like, that's my message. Just live. Unapologetically. Just that. If you look up unapologetically, that's just what it is. Live that way. Because you're not going to please everybody. Everybody's not going to please you. And let people be people. If you live like that, then your days will be so much more happier and like, welcome girl, welcome, nonchalant. Like, let people be people. And when I say that, I'm going to try to break it down. You let people do exactly what they want to do, and you act accordingly. You cannot get upset, or you can't judge somebody for being the person they want to be or doing what's best for them. Well, all you can do is act on it. Okay, well, if you didn't like that, okay, you ain't even got to confront them. Go about your business or whatever. Take yourself out of the situation. Because again, you cannot get upset when somebody's doing what is best or what they think is best for them. Plain and simple. So I say this a whole lot. Let people be people and act accordingly. That's all you can do. That's really all you can do. Because if somebody shows you what they want to do, pretty much, okay, that's what they'd rather do. Let people be people so you can see what they'd rather be doing. And you move accordingly. Like, I used to not post something or be late posting and keeping up with, posting on whatever it may be, YouTube, anything, because okay, I felt like, okay, I can't do this. It has to be perfect. I have to post this. I can't post this, and because I'm not finished with this, and I wanted everything to be in order. Not thinking that, okay, it doesn't matter when I post what. Like, some people are still watching videos that I post 7-8 years ago today. So it really doesn't matter what order you post them in. People are going to see them when and how they need to see it. You have no control over what videos anybody is going to watch next when it comes to, okay, being on YouTube or posting content on any platform. And like, because I was trying to focus on everything at one time, I stopped really posting long videos on YouTube, because I was trying to get right on Facebook and like make my numbers and everything match like my TikTok or whatever. But you have to take in consideration, you have different followings on each of the platforms. Like, what you post on this platform may not go as far on the other platform or whatnot. And like, I came to the decision just the other day, because I had an alarm set, and then if you've been following me, okay, me and my alarms, we go together, okay, like a glove. And that helps me stay on track. But within that, I noticed that, okay, I'm not really focusing on Facebook no more, because what a lot of people presume, and a lot of people know that it's true, is people that really know you, or people that grown up with you, or actually your family, they don't support you as much as, okay, strangers will support you. Like, I can post something on Facebook and 95 people will look at it, and 2 people will like it, and one of them will be my brother and, a stranger. But I know that, okay, who's watching. And one thing that I don't get, like, it's one of those moments where you look at them like, when somebody say, girl, I be watching your stuff. Funny, because I've never seen you in my notifications. Like, you have to be a special individual to tell somebody that, and you've never liked anything. So if you ain't liking, you lurking. That's what I say about it. Because if I'm watching somebody's stuff, I'm going to like it. If it just happened to come across my timeline and you a stranger, if I watch it, I'm going to like it. Oh my God. Oh. For some reason, this is the first time it overheated, and I had to let it rest a little bit. This is one of my favorite spots to sit on the floor in front of my window. But I think it left off as far as, okay, me talking about if you're not liking, you're lurking. Because that's just what it be. Because you hear somebody say that, and then you see what they post and what they share and everything. So they know how to share and everything. They just don't want to share your stuff. It's because it's your shit or whatever. And I've come to being in a place where, okay, when somebody says something like that to me, I just want to say, oh, well, excuse me, I never seen you in my notification. I don't even say anything. I'll just act like they ain't even never said it. Because me, if I have to address an issue, then okay, we already know we ain't on the same sheet of paper. And at my big age, I'm not going back and forth with anybody. I just move accordingly. I move accordingly. Like, I have some people or whatever, family too, that don't support me or don't share anything, but then they get in my DM and ask me how to do something or whatever. It doesn't matter. Boundaries is boundaries, and I treat everybody the same. If you're not going to support me, then okay, baby, go look at them YouTube videos. They're there. I'm not going to do a one-on-one for you and you don't support me. Like, the hell? That's crazy. That would be crazy. But it's just what it is. So, that's on the social media, side of it or whatever. Like, just be you unapologetically and post what you want to post, and your tribe will find you, point blank, period. And like, I used to post, and especially on YouTube, and I would like speed up everything because I felt like, okay, if somebody is watching, I don't want them to be sitting there, and whatever. What I come to realize is that some people, they love like looking at real time things, and you're not speeding it up. I actually looked at a young lady. She posted that vlog, had to been almost an hour and some change, and people watched that whole entire blog, pretty much saying, okay, they love, watching long-term content and whatever. So you may think you are wasting somebody's time or you want to speed up and do snippets of everything, but some people actually want to live in the moment with you, and actually, the things are actually relatable to them, and that's how they get to, know you or whatever. Because, like, if you're looking at something and you see snippets and everything is going so fast, sometimes you can lose people, attention like that, because they're like, okay, she got too much going on or whatever. Like, sometimes you just got to sit down, okay, like I'm doing now or whatever. Just like me scratching my head and it being a moment right there where nothing was said. When people edit, they cut that out. Like, sometimes little stuff like that is relatable, when people are looking at your videos or supporting you or whatnot. And if my eyes are all over the place, it's because, okay, I'm looking at the red light on the camera to see, okay, if it's going to stop blinking or whatever, to overheat or whatnot. But it is not too late to be you. Just do it. And like, I've been stressing a whole lot lately because I've been really focused on, getting completely in shape. Y'all know I've been talking about a six-pack for years, but I was not ready to commit to doing what it took to get a six-pack. Now that is what I'm doing. I switched out my sugary snacks, and I'm now eating protein snacks instead, and substituting with healthier snacks, especially, okay, dark chocolate instead of milk chocolate or whatever. And, choosing better choices when eating breakfast, and, all of that. I'm doing all of that with, working out or whatever. And it is really paying off. I forgot exactly what I was weighing. My last workout video I actually posted for you guys, but it wasn't 130. It wasn't nowhere close to being in the 30s. It's like 40s or 50s or something, 140 something. I don't know. But excuse me, I know, okay, I slacked a little bit because them kids is at home and I be cooking up a storm and we still be eating out or whatever. But I am not the person that I was when I first, started on that journey. And it's so much easier for me to do now because, okay, when I stay committed and consistent, it just gets easier as I do it. So I am proud of those results. So when I do videos and take pictures and stuff, okay, of course I'm going to share them or whatever. And that's a part of the journey, sharing and showing other people where you've come from or how far you came. So when I share pictures and videos and stuff like that, and people are like, oh man, I want to, get in shape, or, oh, I want your stomach, all of that or whatever. I had to work for all of this or whatever. And I want to be an inspiration for other people to say, okay, yeah, I'm a regular, smegular person. You can do it too. But at the same time, it's not easy and it's going to take some work or whatever. Like, I am the breath of fresh air. I want to see everybody win. If I can help hey, I'm going to boost you along, but I'm not going to do it for you. That's not me. I'm not going to do it for you, but I'll push you on the way. So when it comes to, okay, staying in shape, trying to work out and everything, I'm this close to having this six pack. You hear me? And I ain't stopping here. I mean, what really got me is, like, when I put on clothes, I put on my bathing suits, and it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. Not me anyway, because I could put on a bathing suit 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and somebody else was like, oh, girl, you fine. Okay, that's fine, thank you, but I'm not where I want to be. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. I mean, I don't, take it lightly for any compliments that, okay, are given to me, but understand, I live for me, and if I'm not happy with something, then I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to go until I get what I want, or get the results that I want. Point blank, period. I mean, it's good to have cheerleaders and people cheering you along and everything, but you have to realize that, okay, you have to do it for you, whatever that you're trying to do or whatnot. So I am happy where I am, now, and I'm starting to see a little bit of ripple effect going on with the stomach and everything, and I am so happy about that, and soon I will share more, but that's not what this video is about. It's just like, it's not too late. It's not too late. I am 43 years old, and I'm in the best shape of my life, like physically, mentally, all around, 360. The best shape of my life. The happiest I've ever been. I look at some videos or whatnot. Oh, popping in here. On videos or whatever, and I'm like, oh my God, I came a long way. And even if you make content and everything on YouTube, whatever, like, and nobody watches the videos, it's also a good, it's free,